He's a Georgian poet, and yet he doesn't even know it. But then why would he? He's just a parrot. William Dunbar reports now on the feathered friend who's far from bird-brained.
It may sound like something from the horror movie The Exorcist, but this talented little bird is actually declaiming poetry. This verse is by that most notorious of Georgians, Joseph Stalin, written before he was famous. But 2-year-old Chiko has a very wide range. His repertoire also includes nursery rhymes. And the themes from popular movies. Budgerigars aren't known for their love of Soviet films or dictators' poems, so when Chiko started performing them word for word, his owner couldn't believe it.
When he was 8 months old, he started really talking. We were all amazed. He just comes up and starts reciting poems. I've never heard of Budgie speaking so much. I couldn't believe it at first. He chimes in with conversations. He knows exactly what to say.
Chiko's linguistic skills, however, don't seem to extend to English.
Say Chiko RT Tbilisi, Georgia. Chiko RT Tbilisi, Georgia.
When he's not fluttering around or preening himself, Chiko likes nothing more than to recite Georgian verses. But he's not shy when it comes to singing his own praises.
As far as we know, this is the only bird in the world with a working knowledge of Georgian poetry and song. And speaking as someone who's been trying to learn the language for some time, I'm afraid to say that Chiko's Georgian skills put mine to shame. This is William Dunbar and Chiko the Budgie for RT in Tbilisi.